Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Microsoft Planner notifications in Microsoft Teams. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your device. Navigate to the Teams section located in the left sidebar. Select the team that contains the Planner tab you want to manage. Click on the Planner tab at the top of the channel. Look for the More Options button, usually represented by 3 dots next to the tab name. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, locate the Notifications section. You will see options related to notifications for tasks and updates. To disable notifications, toggle the relevant switches off. Confirm your changes by closing the Settings menu. Return to the Planner tab to verify that notifications are now disabled. To further customize your notification preferences, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down list. In the Settings window, choose Notifications from the left sidebar. Adjust any additional notification settings as desired. Close the Settings window once you have finished customizing your preferences. You have now successfully disabled Microsoft Planner notifications in Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.